Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix wrong DPI sensitivity on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, there's two ways of changing it. First, we're going to go over and talk about the mouse buttons. So both of those buttons are basically for changing your DPI. So now if you notice, my DPI here is 2399. So if I press this button, it should change, and it changed to 3600. So we can easily change it. We also get the colors right here. The lowest I got it for is 1600. So this is my lowest DPI. Of course, we can just press our buttons to change it, but if it's not changeable here, what you guys want to do is go over and press on your mouse. Now here, what are we going to do is we're going to go to DPI, and we got the DPI stages right here. So as you guys can see, we got 5 stages, including the sniper we got 6, but sniper is only accessible by this button right here. You can see that the dots are changing on the screen. Now I'm holding it and it's on sniper. Once I stop holding it, it's on stage 1. So you guys can easily just change everything here. You can say your stage 1 to be, let's say, let me put something high like 26,000, which is the max. And if I move my mouse, it'll be really fast, and I'm not even moving it like too hard. And basically you can change your DPI here. Once you change it, you should notice the changes. If you don't see any changes, you can go over and go to home. Now click on the gear icon on your mouse and check for the firmware updates. Make sure you're on the latest version, and that's basically how you guys can fix it. So if this video was helpful, consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Make sure to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.